How to uninstall the Prism AI app from an Android device. So first, open settings on your phone. Then your screen should look something like this. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option. Then tap on manage apps, which is located right below system app settings. After tapping on manage apps, you'll again see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type in Prism. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Simply tap on the uninstall button located in the middle. Then tap on OK, and after a few moments, the app will be uninstalled from your device. And it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.